Alright, get in the car. Get in the car. That was crazy. That was terrible.
Ava right there.
That was bad. That was bad.
Leave it right there.
Unlock the car.
Get inside, man. Alright. So guys, the firework exploded on the ground again and basically KO'd. And so that one was so freaking loud I could barely hear. Everything sounds like freaking like this. Oh god. My ears are freaking.
Dad, can I put this in the back of your car?
Yeah.
And that thing set off the alarms for how freaking loud it was. So
It's okay. Here, let's go.
even though we have permission, we don't want people coming by and calling the cops. So we're gonna leave out here, guys. Remember, we still have permission. What? That thing KO'd again, right? Is that when it falls over? I don't know, man.
Esperamos que él se bañe. Espérate que él se bañe. Vamos a pasar.
Maybe I was going crazy for that one.
Fucking
I'm gonna give somebody a little bit of pride. That thing literally set off my charger the first time. You guys should know how freaking how loud that is, okay? I never get it on camera for some reason. Because I always stop recording. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed and pray for us. Thank you. See you later. Bye.